First off, this sound like you wasted all these people money. No, this sound like a hot mess. You telling me all this shit needs to be done? You done wasted these people money. I mean, I'm thinking this was a bad decision, period. Like, you telling us you done spent all this money on this shit, and you gotta get cranes and lift all this shit out, and this is too much. I'm like, I can't help but think you done wasted these. You gotta do all this to this building with these people money.
Shit, he said it.
I don't understand. Do he not get it? You done misappropriated these funds. Why would you get a building that I don't get it, y'all. But I'm just saying, I can't. I'm just like, is he even listening to himself, y'all? Like, I don't get it. All I can think is, wow, this the buildings you chose to buy with all these people's money. Oh, baby. And spend all that money that you don't have? It don't make no sense.
Hold on.
You can finish playing it because I just had to say that part.
I'm sorry.